my name's Gili. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade chocolate logs. These are the ingredients we're going to use. Salt, cornstarch, bicarb, vanilla essence, white chocolate, brown sugar, eggs, flour, white chocolate chips, and cocoa powder and oil. Now we're going to pour in white sugar, brown sugar and oil. First white. The white last. Okay. Last one. Oil. Today we're going to use the K-beater. We're going to combine the sugar and the oil on number one. Now we're going to put in the vanilla essence and egg. In whatever order. All your ingredients except for the chocolate chips. And don't put in your chocolate or chocolate chips. Oh, mix it too. And number one will fully combine. Yummy. You might want to add a little more flour in so it's not too sticky. Now it's time to add the chocolate chips. Don't overmix it. Put it on a slow speed. Now the dough is ready. Make sure your tray is greased. Divide them into 3 and make 3 big logs. Bake in the oven for 50 to 20 minutes. Bake at the oven for 180 degrees. When they start cooling, cut them into logs. Now it's time for the taste test. Yum. Lick the lava on the bottom and let me know what you want me to cook next. Bye. Bye-bye.